Hello all, my name is Aria Hansen, and I'm a Principal Product Manager Lead on the Windows Servicing and Delivery team here at Microsoft. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for May 2025. First, let's look at some highlights from this month's update for Windows 11 version 24H2, also referred to as the Windows 11 2024 update. Note that these items are rolling out gradually and might not yet be available for your device. With Speech Recap and Narrator, you can quickly access spoken content, follow along with live transcription, and copy what narrator last said, all by using simple keyboard shortcuts. When you access Phone Link from the Start menu, you can now easily make phone calls, send SMS messages, access photos, and share content between your mobile device and PC. Need to quickly find M365 files? No problem. Try pivot-based curated views in File Explorer. Speaking of File Explorer, this release includes support for text scaling across File Explorer, File Open and Save dialogues, and copy dialogues. Based on your feedback, this update also includes fixes and improvements for the Start menu, File Explorer, and the taskbar. To learn more about other changes, improvements, and new features, read the full release notes at aka.ms/windows11/release-notes/2505. Now, on to our Windows tip of the month. We've heard your feedback. You want greater transparency about what features are coming when to Windows 11. The new Windows roadmap is a big step in this journey. On the roadmap, you'll find information about Windows 11 features and improvements and their current status, so you can track when they are available to preview and when they'll be available more broadly, in addition to any configurations you may need to get to make that happen. You can search by feature name or filter by platform, for example, Copilot Plus PCs or Windows 11 PCs. Other intuitive filters help you easily discover what's coming next for your device. You can filter by Windows 11 version, status, and release channel, including the Windows Insider program. To learn more about a feature, select the link in the More Information section. I highly recommend bookmarking aka.ms/Windows Roadmap to keep up on the latest features and when they will be coming to your device. And if you want to share your feedback, please leave a comment at aka.ms/Windows Roadmap blog. Are there any Windows 11 features you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback via this month's release notes page or leave a comment on this video on YouTube. You can find many more great tips on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.